Max, what did we just do?
We pick up flavor.
You gonna take it home?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go?
Tennessee.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Blow a kiss.
Hi, so okay, we did it. We bought the travel trailer. We are ready to get started on this whole new journey. This house was awesome to us. We remodeled the whole entire thing, but now we are going to be moving to Tennessee. And to do so, we will be using a travel trailer with 4 dogs, 2 kids, and hopefully my kitty cat. We'll see how she feels about the whole situation, but we're super excited and let's start this journey. All right, so we ended up getting this travel trailer, the Copper Canyon. It is perfect for the whole family. You have the 2 propane tanks and batteries up front. So let's start in the back. So there are 2 entry doors, which is very nice. And so let's go up. You walk straight into the kitchen. So here is the refrigerator and freezer. And then we have the microwave, the oven, and the sink. Got some cabinets in there. And it has a secret little cabinet that I think is amazing. So I've already started to move in a little bit. Haven't done much, just starting to organize. And it has this little cabinet back here, which is super convenient. Using every space possible, just like that. So this is a pop out on one side. So it's where this bed is. It folds out to a full bed. And then on this side, you have the table that also folds down to a bed. And then you got some cabinets up there. You got a TV, DVD player. And then you have a privacy door. Here, you go to the bedroom. It's a queen size bed. And on this side is the toilet. It even has its own door. There we go. And then you have some more drawers there, cabinet where we're going to keep the kids' clothes and the towels, so the linen. Everyone's gonna have 2 of these organizers in their color, is how I've decided to do it. Then we have a pretty big shower. It has a little skylight in it. And then when you open it up, it's very clean. It is a 2007. And then this is one of my favorite parts, is you have your soap, shampoo, and conditioner dispenser. And then over here you have your vanity and your sink. So here's your queen size bed. So even in here you have some more storage above the bed. And then you have a TV and DVD player on that side as well. And then we have our Molly dog. You gotta have a Molly dog, huh, Vivi? And she wants to say hi. So the other thing that's pretty cool is this one comes with what we're going to call a laundry hamper. Down the dirty clothes through this little area, and you put a basket down there, and they don't have to see your dirty clothes. Sorry, I'm just learning how to use this gimbal, and it's a little bit harder than I thought. But here's the master suite, and just looking out through here, you see straight out to the kitchen. It's pretty big. We have 4 people that are going to be living in here, but 2 are mini people. So you walk down the stairs. Here is the second exit. Here's all the stuff that we're bringing and putting in. So yeah, there's the side of it. Copper Canyon. There's the other door. This is gonna be us. This is how we're gonna live for the next couple of weeks. So one of the first things we are going to do is make this bed more comfy. It is a super springy, uncomfortable bed right now, and so what we've done is we have bought a 4-inch thick topper to put on top. So you'll see that next. This is Molly. She is our little Shih Tzu. She's going to be going on this journey with us. And so we ended up going with the 4-inch memory foam mattress topper. It got super high reviews on Amazon, and it got here in 2 days, which also is a big bonus. Molly dog. And Molly has allergies, so her ear is a little itchy. Alright, that's what it looks like straight out of the box. Molly's trying to get comfortable. Molly. Molly dog. Hi, princess. Fun little fact. So you cannot get it out of that white bag without cutting it. And even in the instructions that are wrapped up inside of the bag, inside of the mattress itself, it says to cut open the bag. You can't get to this until you cut open the bag though. So if anybody gets this mattress, you do have to cut open the white bag. There is no saving it. You want a treat treat? So the wrapper is all off. It says it takes 48 hours to thicken up to 4 inches after being in the box. So we'll check back in 48 hours. So, like, subscribe, follow us on this journey. We can't wait to show everybody what we're doing and how we're doing it. We're called Try Before, and we have a 2-year-old, a 1-year-old, 4 dogs, me and my husband, and it's going to be a blast. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really, guys, let's get this journey started.